Morning. This is Eman for a special report on Pilit Kabangkalan, Mandawi City. I will take you through a tour on areas for Test 3. Pilit used to be an agricultural area. Its name comes from a dialect which means sticky rice. Nowadays, Pilit has evolved to a real and residential area. It is very hot outside. It has not rained for over a week now. Summer is here. But look, the road is wet. A little further, you will see a flooded area. The water has nowhere to go. Where did this water come from? Let's find out. This house has built a dike to prevent water from getting in. During heavy rains, the water overflows and floods the houses inside. These houses are abandoned because of the floods. We can now see the drainage from this building. As I have said, there are many houses abandoned because of the flood. Let's go further. Here is another source. And a bigger flooded area. This is the other end of the flooded area. People even call it Little Boracay. The water is very dirty and stinky. The wastewater from the houses and buildings along this street is the source of this flood. This is a very big environmental problem. This threatens the health of the people living and working in this area. Residents say that when it rains hard, these two flooded areas will combine to form one big lake. Tricycles no longer pass this way. Only big vehicles can pass through. Ladies and gentlemen, we need your help. This problem has greatly affected the residents for over 10 years and continues to worsen. How long must these people suffer? The health of the people should not be the cost of progress. We beg you, please do what you can to help us. This is Eman Zanoria, begging for your help. Thank you, and may God bless you all.